Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM/FM radio out of a 1968 Olds Cutlass. This comes from Ray in Olivehurst, California, and Ray has requested the modern internal conversion with a new harness for greatly increased output power. Also my cool master input-output box that has your aux input and your preamp outputs, and also the Bluetooth. So we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive in my area, so we can test the virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn it on. We're AM. Okay, we'll need our output level meters for this. Okay, I'm going to activate the virtual front rear fader, which we do by turning the tone control twice clockwise, returning it to the center position each time. So let's try that.
President Biden is in Brazil, where he became
fader adjust.
Okay.
head of state to visit the
All the way
Amazon
front,
rainforest.
all the
He
way
went there
rear,
to highlight the dangers
front,
of climate change
rear.
and the need to turn away from
Okay,
fossil
center.
fuels.
Fader
Fader
set.
set. Okay. Left right balance. We're going to drive left right balance.
Down there, hopefully he has some inspiring words for us. Mr. President.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
So let's
All the
preserve
way
this
right
secret
or left.
for our
All the way
time and
right.
forever, for the benefit of
Left.
all humanity.
Right.
Thank you very, very much.
Alrighty.
Balance
Balance set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for the quick test. So
Do the transfer.
now we're on FM.
See that? Yeah, liquor will.
Yeah, stay with me tonight.
Alrighty, make sure the dial light lights up, and you can see it flashing on and off right through that opening right there when I press and release the button. So she's ready to go back to the customer. Everything works. Sorry for such a short video. If it's just the radio, the videos are pretty short. There's not a whole lot more stuff to test there. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And off that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and that's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone. And in my case, it keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So please do that research before calling me with a bunch of questions. After you've got a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Ray, for your business from Olivehurst, California, and we'll see you guys next time.